Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I am going to show you step by step how to access TikTok without the app. Before starting this video, please subscribe my channel. First of all, you have to open your Google or Chrome browser, and here you have to search. Open your Google Chrome or Google, and here you have to search tiktok.com. So here you can see, you will go to the official website of TikTok, from where you can scroll TikTok without TikTok app. In this way you can use TikTok without TikTok app. You can also log into your account here. In this way you can access and use TikTok without the app. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel.